Tres.
Bastard.
Stop, you're scaring me.
No, Luna, no!
Do it. Do the thing. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Great.
Big ol' eyes.
Wait, this tastes like some medicine. Ah!
I'll tell you what I really want.
Oh! I know you're about to bite me. Ah! Are you hungry? Oh, fuck.
That's what's going into your brain.
Motherfucker.
Harness training, take one.
I'm touching his stuff. I'm touching. Oh!
You silly kitty. Okay. What is happening? Oh, sweetie.
You got another week to
Hello. It's me.
It's gonna be hot.
Hey, you get down the fiddle and you get down the bow. Kick off your shoes and you throw 'em.
As a crackhead, the first time we introduce you to the cat we have, you're gonna act like...
Third, what have you been up to? What was that sound?
Day 67 of my cat trying to scare me.
Is this the real?
Cheeseburger?
That's the last thing she needs.
What is it?
Associated with the COVID-19 pandemic.
Опа-на. Ты чё боишься?
Oh, Lola.
Really just all about nourishing my body and eating.
Don't all speak at once. Does anybody want a cat? Mother.
Damn, babe. Oh.
Meow.
That's look.
宝贝儿，手疼不疼？
Semana que da última.
Your demise.
Yeah, I love you.
excuse. Yep.
Para de me lamber, eu não peguei o cachorro, não. Eu não peguei os dois.
Where is the...
What are you looking at?
Damn, you got something on you. You just got something.
Shark, you hungry? Oh my god!
Did you just do that by himself?
Yep.
The most beautiful girl in the room.
You?
Oh shit.
Oh, that's good. Yep.
She was solvent in a sense.
Ó a cara na parede, ó. Eu avisei.
Little.